Hi, it's Anne-Marie with Keller Realty. Fall is here, and today I want to talk about some home maintenance tips and getting your home ready for the cooler months. Yes, even here in Southern California, there are things that you should do to maintain your home in the cooler months. So number one, you should clean out your rain gutters and remove any debris and leaves. Number two, have a roof maintenance check. You want to check for any slipped, broken, or missing tiles or shingles, and just make sure your roof is in tip-top shape so you don't have any leaks during the rainy season. Number three, check for any door drafts and seal with caulking or weather stripping. Number four, replace the batteries in your smoke detector, or just replace the smoke detectors with the new ones with the 10-year batteries. Number six, have a HVAC or heating system maintenance update. You'll want to at least replace the air filters and just check to make sure that your heater is working so that on those very few cool nights, your heater is ready to go. Number seven, prepare and clean your fireplace. You'll want to use your fireplace on those crisp evenings, so it's a good idea to clean out all the ashes and have your chimney cleaned so that you can enjoy it when it's time to turn your fireplace on. And number eight, we are in Southern California and there is always a threat of wildfire, so review your fire escape and evacuation plan with your family. Keeping your home in good shape over the fall and winter months so it's ready to list in the spring is a great idea. I look forward to our next conversation, and let me know if you have any questions about maintaining your home and getting it ready for sale.